Good morning. Last day in the height of birds of prey. Good season here. So I thought, since this is really close to nesting season and birds are starting to migrate to the nesting place, I thought I'd give the Z9 a chance for maybe some flight shots of the birds of prey. So that is the plan today. It's gonna be a beautiful day with really nice light, hopefully, and just have to wait and see. It's around 45 minutes before sunrise now. The first goshawk. It's an adult one. Has been quiet now for almost an hour, so I'm starting to losing hope that there's gonna be any more birds. Beautiful light though, so it would be great. I would prefer to have some action shots that try to test the Z9 more with the autofocus, but looks like that it doesn't happen. A really great camera with a lot of great features, but one thing I was a little curious to know about was the ISO performance. Going from 24 megapixel from the Z6 to 45 megapixel normally means a little bit more noise when you crank up the ISO. So I was a little bit curious to do that, and I remember my first time getting the pictures from the Combinator and Red Squirrel. I have the ISO on around 1600 to 2000, and I was a little bit disappointed when I bring it into Lightroom and see that it's a little bit too much noise there, even at like 1600 ISO. But as I was reading a little bit more about it, actually the Lightroom hasn't have the supported, I don't know, drivers or whatever. The Lightroom does not compress or do the justice of the picture on the ISO. So what I'm going to do is try to bring it into a different program when I'm coming home, and see how the ISO performs, because I'm taking some pictures of the goshawk now with ISO 6400, and I'm going to check that out and see how that is. Also, the Topaz denoise haven't had the support update for the Z9 on raw images on the denoise yet. I'm guessing it coming soon though. But if I want to remove noise from the raw file, it isn't possible yet. There's a young Cossack now. I was about to leave. Can I do that now? What I'm waiting for is actually the Cossack to fly away and try to get some flash shots with that. I think I got it.